Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video I'll be showing you how I create a super easy but super cute protective updo, and I'll be using perm rods for this video. Now my stylers of choice for this video will be my Jamaican black castor oil by Tropic Living, and then my Moisture Me Curl and Style Milk by Lotta. So you can use whichever combo you'd like, or even if you want to use one styler, but I will be using these two together. So let's get started. Alright, so now how the style is going to be, I am going to pretty much either braid or twist the back all the way up to one side, and then I will be applying my perm rods to the remaining hair that's left out. So to get started, you want to make sure you have a comb or a tail comb, or something that is going to give you a defined part. And then you want to part, depending on whichever side you like, you're going to part all of the back section. So I'm just going to get a clip and section off the part that I'm not going to be working with right now. So now what I'm going to do is just use the comb and make small little sections, and each one I'm going to just braid. And I'm just going to use some of my Jamaican black castor oil on the first section. Next I'm going to grab my hair milk, and I'm just going to take a little bit as well. So this is the first braid done. So now I'm just going to continue doing that, going all the way around my head. So it's going to be a little hard for me to do it on camera, but all I'm pretty much doing is just braiding it in the upward direction and then leaving the ends out a little bit because I'm going to add perm rods at the end. Okay, so I'm going to do this off camera and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so you can see I have finished braiding my hair. I'm going to turn around and show you guys. But just know my arms, my hands, everything is hurting. Alright, so now that I have finished braiding the entire back section, I am going to add my perm rods to the front now. So you can see that I have the two sections separated so none of the hair gets mixed in with each other. So now I am going to take my castor oil and just take a little bit like I did before. Then I'm going to take some of my hair milk and just take a little bit as well. So for this one, I'm using they're kind of pink or purple perm rods, but they're like a medium-sized barrel, so I'll get a small enough but not super big curl once it dries. So what I'm going to do is, instead of putting the perm rod starting right here automatically, I'm going to twist it first and then put the perm rod at the end. The reason I'm doing it that way is because when I go to sleep, I don't like that it's so tight to the root of my hair. So by having it free for all, I guess you could say that, I can control where I put it. So when I sleep, because I sleep on my sides, it won't bother me. Alright, so now that I have fully installed my perm rods to the front, The parts that I left out where the end of the braid is, I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm just going to unravel them a little bit and then add the perm rods to the end. Alrighty, so all done. You can see I installed every single last one. So now I'm going to let this dry overnight, and then in the morning we'll do the takedown. Alright, so it's the next day. 2 fell out, so don't mind this, but now I'm going to take down the perm rods. Alright guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love the way my perm rod set came out, so I'm super happy about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys try this style too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!